and some smoked sausage. Now I'm gonna add my scallops, and this will be the Cajun butter that will add to my seafood boil. And this, now I'm gonna add Cajun butter to the seafood boil. Check it out, guys. My head. Check out my seafood boil, guys. Check it out. Want to learn how to make it? Come let me show you how. To my pot, I'm gonna add scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, ginger, garlic, pimento seed. Now for some fresh lemon juice. Now I'm going to add some bay leaf. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, shrimp bouillon, 3 tablespoons Old Bay seasoning, 3 tablespoons seafood seasoning. Give it a stir. I'm going to let this come to a boil. Then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. To my pot, now I'm going to add some potatoes, mini potatoes, corns, and some smoked sausage. Ooh, this seafood boil is gonna be so delicious. Ooh. Now I'm gonna put some butter in the pot. Just like so. Now I'm gonna add onions, garlic. Let this cook for 3 minutes. Then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. Give it a stir. Just like so. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of seasoned salt, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 3 tablespoons lemon pepper, 2 tablespoons shrimp bouillon, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 3 tablespoons Old Bay, going to give it a mix. To incorporate everything. And this will be my Cajun butter that will add to my seafood boil. This is going to be so delicious. Stay tuned. Now I'm going to add my crabs. And guys, I'm doing whole crabs. Whole crabs, guys, in my seafood boil. This is how I do it. I'm gonna do some mussels. And all my ingredients that I had to my pot is already washed and cleaned. I'm gonna let this boil for 10 minutes. Then I'll add some more ingredients. Now I'm gonna add my scallops. Now my jumbo shrimp. These are already washed, guys, and deveined. I'm gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna let these cook for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Remember, shrimp cook quick, guys, so you don't want them to cook too long. They get rubbery. Stay tuned. My seafood boil is done. In container, just like that. Ooh, look at that! Oh, look at those goodies! Oh yeah! Now I'm gonna add the Cajun butter to the seafood boil. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna put my eggs. Also, oh yeah, check it out. The best seafood boil recipe you will ever try. Check it out, guys. Yeah, man. Now I'm gonna try my seafood boil. I'm gonna start off with some sausage. Oh my god. The sausage full of flavor. The shrimp. Here's my crab, guys. Oh my god. You guys should definitely try this recipe. So I'm gonna try the eggs. The egg, guys, so flavorful. And try the corn. Oh my lord. This is so good, guys. Bless. One love. We will really appreciate your support in growing this channel, so please like, share, and subscribe.